Hello everyone, welcome to Neil's World. OpenAI has released its Android version for the ChatGPT app recently in 4 countries, including India. The other countries where it is available are the US, Bangladesh, and Brazil. You can right now go to the Play Store and download the OpenAI ChatGPT app. You can go to your Play Store and then search for ChatGPT app. There you can find several apps, but you should download the one which is made by OpenAI. So I'm showing you right away in my phone, and then you install that app. It's pretty simple. It's straightforward as any other app. Install the app ChatGPT from OpenAI, and then you simply open it. If you already have a ChatGPT account, then you can log in with that account. Otherwise, you can log in with your Google account and then continue with the sign up process. But I already have an account. I'll show you how to go ahead logging into the ChatGPT app using the Google account. There are many Gmail accounts that I have, but I have selected the Gmail account where I already have an OpenAI account. So I have logged into my ChatGPT. This is the first screen that you see when you log into the Android application. It's very simple, minimal interface. The message means the chat, and I have a free plan. It also has the ChatGPT Plus plan, which is not yet available on the Android application. The premium features are not yet available. It is coming soon. So I will show you how simply you can interact with the Chat AI. Simply type in your message. Whatever prompt you give, it will generate the response. It's very simple. If you have done it on a web browser, you can do it in your Android phone pretty easily. So it's very handy tool to do it. So I'm giving an example prompt, and here it is. You can see that there are certain generations of the result. So it is responding to my prompt. So you can do it, and all those things, you can copy this text and paste it wherever you require. So this is how you use the ChatGPT app on Android. It's very easy to use. Try this out. Thank you.